As I work through the artificial intelligence governance professional body of knowledge, one thought keeps coming to mind. There is nothing new under the sun. Over the past 4 decades, organizations have experienced wave after wave of transformative technology. Personal computers in the 1980s, the internet in the 1990s, cloud computing in the 2000s, and now artificial intelligence. In each case, many organizations rush to adopt new technology before fully understanding the business problem they were trying to solve, the risks involved, or the governance required to manage it. The dot-com crash of the early 2000s is a reminder that technology alone is not a strategy. My biggest takeaway is that AI adoption is not primarily a technology challenge. It is a leadership, governance, and organizational readiness challenge. Recently, I participated in the Microsoft Learn for Educators and Generative AI for Teaching Bootcamp, where I developed AI agents. One insight became immediately clear. An agent is only as effective as the knowledge, rules, processes, and governance that underpin it. An agent cannot create organizational clarity where none exists. It cannot compensate for poorly defined processes, inconsistent policies, unclear decision rights, or weak governance. Before organizations focus on AI automation or agentic AI, they must first establish sound governance structures, operating processes, accountability mechanisms, and clear strategic goals. Otherwise, AI simply accelerates existing inefficiencies and risk. AI introduces unique governance challenges, including complexity, opacity, autonomy, speed and scale, data dependency, privacy concerns, intellectual property issues, probabilistic outputs, and the potential for harm or misuse. Another observation that struck me is how AI is reshaping the value of different disciplines. For years, philosophy was often viewed as an impractical academic major. Yet today, leading AI organizations such as OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google DeepMind are hiring philosophers, ethicists, and policy experts to help address questions of safety, governance, ethics, and human values. Why? Because one of the hardest challenges in AI is not building more powerful models, it is determining how those models should behave. As AI systems become increasingly capable and autonomous, questions about fairness, accountability, transparency, human rights, and societal impact become just as important as technical performance. The rise of AI reminds us that technology alone is not enough. We also need wisdom, judgment, ethics, and thoughtful governance. The principle of responsible AI that resonates most with me is human centricity. Responsible AI should enhance human capabilities, respect human dignity, and serve human interests. Organizations should not only ask, can we automate this, but also, how does this improve human outcomes? Responsible AI requires more than good intentions. It requires governance, accountability, explainability, fairness, privacy, security, and transparency. AI feels both familiar and fundamentally different. Unlike previous technologies, AI is rapidly becoming embedded in nearly every aspect of our work, decision-making, and daily lives. The risks of bolting on AI without understanding its implications are significantly greater. The organizations that succeed with AI will not necessarily be those that adopt it the fastest. They will be those that adopt it responsibly, strategically, and with people at the center.